Race Cultural and Sports Organization event. Shout out my basketball! Shout out roll call! Oh! Respect to Commissioner Allred. Leading with vision bright, yeah. Commissioner Ace keeping the league shining bright. Madam Boss Rowena strength behind the scenes. Madam Irish Joy keeping everything clean. Voice of the game, imitator DJ John. Calling every bucket from dusk until dawn. Shout out Regional, Skip, JP in the mix. Kenneth, Nico, making teamwork click. Merida, Eliza, Vico standing tall. And referee Pahati, fan is guiding all. Yo, welcome everybody, feel the fire, hear the beat. Golden Week in Saitama, where culture and sports meet. From every race, every story, every hometown pride. One court, one love, let the basketball unite. Step in the gym, hear the crowd roar loud. Season 1 is here, standing fearless and proud. Team Ozora, our whitey flying high in the sky. Team Tukashima West Side, bringing hustle, never shy. Team
Jiko Shukai, onegaishimasu.
Ako si Niloliba, pang ako mama Surigao, papa Cebu.
Taga sama ka sa Pinas.
Sa Surigao.
Taga Surigao. Di ba delikado man ang Surigao? Mindanao man siya.
Oh, okay kay Surigao eh.
Okay ba?
Nice tourist spot at itong Surigao, promosyon na.
Asa? Ang tourist spot sa Surigao?
Siargao po, Siargao.
Sa Siargao?
Oh, malapit po kami, Siargao.
Siargao. Malayo kayo sa ano yun? Yung
Enchanted.
Enchanted.
Oh, malayo, malapit.
Okay. So ikaw ang player of the game. Ulit anong pangalan?
Neil Robinial Oliva po.
Neil Ruby from team
Team Iwate.
Aozora
Iwate
Iwate.
po.
Ilang taon ka na dito sa Japan?
4 years na po.
4 years na sa Iwate.
Iwate kinto.
Okay, first time nyo sa Saitama. Mga ilang oras kaya?
8 hours po,
8 hours,
napakapagod ng biyahe
ang layo.
po. Highway yan, highway.
Express?
Expressway po.
Okay, 8 hours ang layo. So, nanalo kayo. Anong ginawa nyo para manalo sa game na to?
Siyempre po yung goal po namin, napunta kami dito. Work as a team po. Saka kahit pagod po kami.
Kenneth, Nico, making teamwork click. Merida, Eliza, Vico standing tall. And referee Pahati, fan is guiding all. Raise your hands up.
Ano yung goal?
Yung goal po namin po, work as a team po. Kahit sabihin natin malayo yung biyahe, pagod siyempre. Saka maliliit, andin po kami. Di man kami makagaling, pero solid po yung team, yung labanan po. Okay po yung labanan. Saka napaka-organized po dito sa Saitama. Saka yung mga player po talaga dito, mga malalaking respeto po sa laro po.
Let's play!
May gusto kayo shout out?
Yes po, number 1 po shout out po yung misis ko po, si Aldele Rivera Oliva po. Saka yung Tris Marias po, si Amara, si Aliana, at saka si Alicia po. Shout out yan sa Adlay, Surigao. Adlay, Carrascal, Surigao del Sur. Dala po natin yung magiging player po natin as matanda, kahit matanda na po.
Respect to Commissioner
Ito na rin, mga misis?
Misis lang po.
Isa lang.
Saka shout out ko yung Team Iwate ha. Team Iwate po. Kahit sa mga tropa, kahit hindi naglaro, mama pa rin po. Shout out. Pwede shout out lahat ng
Okay, shout out mo. Shout out mo.
Shout out si Peralta. Coach. Peralta si Junel Oliva Dimol, si Jerry Mirano. Saka sino pa? Sino pa shout out natin? Joshua, dalawang Joshua, si Kuya Ed. Kuya Ed ng Japan. Kamiyama Kogyo. Oh, saka sa company namin Kamiyama Kogyo. Boss, salamat sa kinayagan po kami dito. Saka yun Imaw, lahat ng players, si Jan, saka si Jack, saka si pa yun?
Team Tukashima West Side, bringing hustle, never
Natin,
shy.
Jericho, saka lahat ng player, salamat, shout out sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations.
Yes po.
Congratulations sa inyo. Okay.
Saka shout out ko lang din yung team lahat natin nandito sa Saitama, nag-participate. Salamat po. Saka sa organizer po, maraming salamat po. Arigatou gozaimasu. Taon tuloy.
Friendship play, Class D Season 1, we shine today. Hoops in the air, unity on display. Basketball forever, this is our day. This is our day. Team Baiting El Yak, bringing
Ruina ng manager ng race. Apparel. Thank you po. Saka maraming salamat po sa pagiging Mythical 5 saka sa Itsimangin. Para Madam Ruina, from Race Apparel. Saka may shoutout din ako. Yung kamag-anak ko si Ate Diding sa Cebu, Saitama, saka pamilya. Saka shoutout po. Thank you ng marami. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Salamat.
Nice
Congratulations.
Sports apparel, style, comfort, and pride. Powering every player with heart on their side. Respect to Commissioner RN, leading with vision bright. Commissioner Ace, keeping the league shining bright. Madam Boss Rowena, strength behind the scene. Madam Irish Joy, keeping everything clean. Voice of the game, commentator DJ John, calling every bucket from dusk until dawn. Shout out Regal, Skip, JP in the mix. Kenneth, Nickel, making teamwork click. Marita, Eliza, Finkel standing tall, and referee Baharte, fairness guiding all. Raise your hands up, let the whole court sing. Golden Week basketball, hear the spirit ring. From Saitama with love, where friendships grow. Plastic season 1, let the whole world know. Different races, one heartbeat, one game we play. Together on the hardwood, brighter every day. This is our season, our tournament away. Saitama Basketball League, happy Golden Week, let's play!
Oh, say 8 hours. Ano ba, tumawa?